Bungin Island. The world as most populous island, which is in Indonesia. As a great country, Indonesia has thousands of islands in it. Recorded, there are currently about 17,000 islands in Indonesia. Of the main islands that exist, Bungin Island, very eye-catching. Bungin Island is located off the side of Bali mainland. The island is administratively one of the villages in Sumbawa Regency, Nusa Southwestern West Indonesia. Bungin site comes from Bubungin, which is in Bajo language, meaning that piece of white sand in the middle of the ocean. The island is only 8-5 jam hectares, with over 5,000 residents settled here. The majority of the inhabitants of the island are Bajo tribes from South Sulawesi, who have inhabited the Bungin since 200 years ago. Bajo tribe is famous as tribes that live in the sea and waters. Bungin Island Village, with the world's most populous settlement. There is almost no empty land on the island. Bungin Island Village also doesn't have a coastline and Greenland as far as the eye can sail. So dense, the houses the people here are close to each other. So it arrived tourists would be greeted by the fan of a densely populated village. Houses on stilts cruised together, decorate the entire mainland of the island. Population density is what makes Bungin doesn't have a shoreline, because along the coast of the island have built dwellings. Condition of the population living crammed together, making Bungin Island become one of the unique tourist destinations. If around Sumbawa, tourist destinations identical to the blue sea and white sand, Bungin actually introduced an unusual thing. Despite not having a coastal, Bungin Island is famous will be a food culinary tour with salty savory tasty. Typical of Bungin Village, the island also has a floating restaurant that serves a bunch of seafood. Bajo tribe is already famous as an accomplished sailor, so it does no wonder if the children in the Bungin are good at exploring the ocean and hunting fish in the sea. Children in the Bungin village also used to help his parents work with diving to find fish in the sea. Bajo people on Bungin Island is a marine community. It comes from South Sulawesi. They have immigrated since hundreds of years ago, until finally settled in the coastal area of Sumbawa Island. At first they were not what they are now. They live in the ocean around the coast, with residential systems over seawater. Because the longer the population grew, then they worked for land, behoarding the sea with rocks and corals. Who is there? The daily language of the inhabitants of Bungin is the language of Bajo, not the native language of the Sumbawa area. Because 80% of its citizens become fishermen. Almost every home has a private motorboat. This vehicle is also used residents to fish or lobster in the sea. Formerly this island was only a white sand dune, before it was filled by the Bajo people. They then built houses by using piles of coral that serve as a foundation. Unikoi, the house in this village does not use stone or soil as the foundation, instead of using coral reefs that are dead as a home base. Citizens also don't have to spend money because they direct their own land. Now their houses here look more modern and not much different from other villages in Indonesia. Their houses are made out of planks and roofs using zinc or astor detail. The atmosphere in the middle of this village is not much different from the village in general. We can find some shops in the crowded settlement. Livestock such as chickens and goats also seen passing around the settlement. Citizens customary law of marriage people Bungin. It is also one reason for Bungin Islam become more and more dense because in customary law is regulated. Young couple are getting married. Mandatory to build your own location, to build a house that will live in. To make a home, the couple had to collect the rocks that will be stacked on the outer side of the Islam that has been determined. Location size can reach 6 times 12 meter for 4-7 years. Once the location is formed, that couple can only get married and set up a house. That is why Bungin Island area continue to grow from year to year.